Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video is brought to you by LASFIT Auto LED Lighting. They reached out to me on Instagram, asked me to review these reverse LED lights, which are supposed to be super bright. Everyone knows with an FX50, FX35, reverse lights at night are awful, and the camera is already awful, so it's really hard to see backing up. So anyways, we are gonna open these up, check them out. I'll show you how to install it, and we'll see how it compares to what I've already got. All right, let's open this up, check it out. All right, got them open. There it is, guys. Pretty sweet. They look awesome. They're like gold and crazy bright LEDs all around. I'm gonna run out to the garage, show you how to throw these in, and we're gonna get started. All right, what we're gonna do is remove this bad boy right here. First thing, get something to kind of push these in. And then you got a clip here, clip on that side. And now that you have that all loose, come up here, pull these out. Now that you got that, we're legit just gonna pop this. There's just pop clips in here, so what you wanna do is just pull it. This gets loose, don't worry about that. There you go. Okay, now we're back on the back side here. Now that you have that popped off, you'll see the bulbs here. Just pull them out. And this is what I'm rocking right now. It's like this. Well, actually, let's take it inside and compare it. Okay, taking a look at these. The one I had in there only has 2 LEDs, and it was still pretty bright. This new one, 8, 4 on each side. So that is pretty epic of a difference. All right, we're gonna do a little daytime test. All right, as you guys can see, they're super white and they're pretty damn bright during the day right now. So that is a great sign. The OEM ones are kind of yellow, and that's why I already switched to those dual LED ones, which were a little bit on the hint of a blue side. This is stark white. I believe it's gonna be super bright at night. Can't wait. Let's check it out in the nighttime. Yeah, looks like I can see better. That's awesome. Nice improvement for the grainy camera quality of this vehicle, which, yes, they are super bright. Check this out. Definitely freaking doing the job. I would highly recommend these guys. Heck yeah. LASFIT. Thank you so much for joining today, YouTube. If you enjoyed this video on the LASFIT reverse LEDs, please comment down below and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more content coming up for you guys soon and some awesome car reviews, so stick around. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out. Bye.